What's up everyone, Hector here from Red Key Rides. So you already know the Hellcat draws a lot of attention everywhere it goes. The sound, the look, the badge. But the same attention means I've got to protect myself. So not only protecting myself when I park the car, but also when I'm driving. So today I'm going to cover a protection that I have for inside the car, which is the VIOFO A229 Pro. It's a 3-channel dash cam. It's one of the best things that I've installed besides tint and security. So every Hellcat owner should get one, and I'm going to go over the reasons why. Let's get into it. So this VIOFO A229 system gives you 3 cameras, one up front, one in the rear, and one inside the cabin, all recording super clear 2K resolution. This means that every drive, every stoplight, every weird situation is covered from every angle. And yeah, it records audio too. So if something goes down, or if it doesn't, you can get the full story. So the first scenario are accidents, and accidents happen fast. No one wants to get in an accident. Somebody cuts you off, taps your car in the parking lot. The front and the rear cameras catch the entire event. Plates, speed, direction of impact. Insurance company's gonna love it that you have that footage. It saves them time trying to figure out exactly what happened, who's at fault, and it helps you not get blamed for something that you didn't do. So for that's a pretty good reason. The second scenario is police. So look, it's a loud car. It draws attention. So you're gonna get pulled over. Sooner or later, it's gonna happen, whether you did something or not. So having a camera that records the front and inside the cabin helps keep everything transparent. It protects me, it protects the law enforcement officer. Everything's documented and time-stamped. It's professional, it's respectful, and it can clear up any misunderstandings later. So I'm here at this light. The other scenario is onlookers and road rage. So when you drive a car like this, you're always going to be filmed. Phones come out when I'm driving or when I'm at a gas station. But if someone steps in front of the car or tries to accuse me of something, the dashcam footage gives me proof. That means that there's 3 angles, and every angle is going to be covered, so there's no guessing. You got the truth and not opinions. So the fourth scenario is passengers or accusations. Sometimes you invite people into your car. Like me, sometimes I work where I have to go attend meetings that are off-site, different locations, and I'm inviting co-workers into my car. And this is the main reason why I got this car. This is the main reason why I got this camera. You know, you don't know people's intentions. Sometimes you don't know everyone that goes into your car. So if you're going out with some friends and they have friends that are coming with them, you want to make sure that you're covered. And because it records video and audio, you have that peace of mind. Someone tries to pull something, if someone says that you try to do something, you have it documented. So you know, people that you may think you know, nah, this is transparent, it's black and white. It's not about being paranoid, it's about being smart. Regarding being smart, you know, even though some people are not smart, but you know, you're gonna get this camera, know the laws. So specifically, because it records audio, if I were in Florida, I would have to consider not using the audio for it, because Florida is a 2-party consent state. That means both parties have to give consent, explicit consent, to allowing the audio recording. In North Carolina, it is a 1-party consent state. So that means if I give consent, if I want to record audio in my car, I can. I don't have to get explicit consent from the other person that's in the car. So again, that is the main reason why I got this camera for me in my situation. So know the laws in your area before buying this camera if you want to record audio. So let's go over some main points real quick. It is a 3-channel 2K recording, audio recording, video recording camera, front, rear, and interior. It has GPS stamping. It has app control that you can connect through Wi-Fi to the camera. It's motion activated parking mode, voice recording toggle on and off at any time. It works day and night. I'll give you some clips of it recording at night. It is a 24-hour witness to anything going down. It's super simple to install. I'll include a link to the power tap that taps into the power coming from the rear view camera. Sorry, the rear view mirror gives it power through USB. If you buy that and the camera already comes with a 3M double-sided tape, so it's heavy duty. You just identify the spot where you want to install the camera on your windshield, both the forward facing and the cabin. It gives you all the cables that you need to install it, and also run the camera to the back windshield. I'm running a 256 gig micro SD card to the camera, so it records a lot of data, a lot of video. So if I ever need to pull it up, let's say from some months ago, I'm able to do that without an issue. So I do recommend looking at a high capacity micro SD card. So you know, in closing, let's be real, this car is loud, it's fast, and it gets looks everywhere. So that's part of the fun, but it's also a magnet for attention that you want and you don't want. A dash cam protects you. So make sure you consider getting one and looking at this one. It's one of the smartest mods that I've gotten. If something goes down, I could easily export it. So yeah, so the VIOFO A229 Pro, I'll drop a link of the exact setup below. So if you want to consider looking into it and buying it at Amazon, you could do so. If you like this video, please like it. If you like what I do, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks guys, peace out.